Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make pumpkin soup. You could make it for a celebration, any occasion, or if you just want to make it for fun and if you like cooking. So today I'll be showing you how to make pumpkin soup and watch the ingredients and make your pumpkin soup after you watch the video, or else there might be something changing. So without a further to go, let's get right into it. Some pumpkins for the pumpkin soup, and they need to be chopped. You'll also need ginger, garlic, onions, a bunch of carrots, I got 4 here, some cream, and also some vegetable stock, some paprika, some salt and pepper, and also some extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, and I forgot some butter. So let's get right into it. So first we need to boil some water with salt, a bit of salt, and also a bit of water. So we also need to chop the carrots while the water and salt is boiling. Now we are putting some pumpkins in. I also forgot to also cover it. Now we will check if it is correctly boiled or not with a fork. And if it is thick, that means that it's not boiled. So wait another few minutes. There's not a certain amount of time. We have waited another 6 minutes, and we'll check again if the fork can get out of the pumpkin. So as you can see, it can, and that means that it is correctly boiled. So now we need to pick it up and put it into this bowl. We'll keep some water, but we'll throw out most of the water. And as I said so, there is some there. And yeah. So put that away and so we'll put some oil in and we will mix it around like that. Doesn't need to be everywhere, but just mix it around. And then we'll put some onions in, like so.
Sure, Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
And we'll also put the chopped carrots in too. And also put some of the garlic in. And now the carrots. Also stay away so that it doesn't splatter at you. And mix it around. And here are the pumpkins. And now we'll also put some salt to taste. We'll also add some pepper or some cumin powder. Now we should mix it around. cover it up for a couple of minutes. Now we'll uncover it and check if the vegetables are boiled. Mix it around and have a test. Add some vegetable stock. And you could put nearly the whole thing. I've used the whole thing. And mix it around carefully. And cover it too. Now we will put all of the pumpkin into the mixture. We will also put the paprika in. And we'll also mix it. And we will also put the remaining soup in. And cover it. Put the cream in too. Chop the butter into some slices like this. And then put them in. Now we will put it into the blender. As much as we can fit. Now we will blend it. Now we put it in this bowl and we get some more, if there is remaining. Now we will put this into the bowls. And after putting them into the bowl, you can enjoy for yourself or with your family. Now it's time to taste. That's really good.
Want some bread?
Oh yeah.
Garlic bread.
It tastes so good. I hope you liked the recipe, and you should cook it after you watch the video, not while you're watching the video, or else there might be some things that go bad. And if you're a child who's watching this video, please ask an adult to help, or else you could be hurt or something. So please do that, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and smash that like button. Oh, and I recommend you these two videos to watch. Please do. So don't forget to watch those. And for now, bye and see you later. Bye.